Hey everyone! Welcome back to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes and cooking inspiration. Today, we're going to show you how to make a fresh and vibrant dish that's perfect for summer: homemade shrimp and pineapple rice bowls. This dish is packed with flavor, affordable, and easy to make, perfect for beginners. It combines juicy shrimp, sweet pineapple, and fluffy rice to create a bowl full of tropical goodness. Let's get started. Before we begin cooking, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 1 pound of shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 cup of jasmine rice, or your favorite variety of rice. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 1 cup of pineapple chunks, fresh or canned. 1 bell pepper, diced, any color you prefer. 1 small red onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, optional, but adds great flavor. 1 tablespoon of honey, for sweetness. 1 lime, cut in half, for juice. Fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. Salt and pepper, to taste. Preparation. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's start cooking. Step 1, cook the rice. 1. Rinse the jasmine rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch and keeps the rice fluffy. 2. In a pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 3. Add the rice to the boiling water and stir. 4. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let the rice cook for about 15 minutes or until all the water is absorbed. 5. Once the rice is done, remove it from the heat and fluff it with a fork. Set aside. Step 2, prepare the shrimp. 1. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. 2. Add the shrimp to the skillet and season with salt and pepper. 3. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until they turn pink and opaque. Remove the shrimp from the skillet and set aside. Step 3, sauté the vegetables. 1. In the same skillet, add the chopped red onion and minced garlic. Sauté for about 2 minutes until fragrant. 2. Add the diced bell pepper and pineapple chunks to the skillet. 3. Cook the vegetables for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the bell pepper is tender and the pineapple is caramelized. Step 4, combine ingredients. 1. Return the cooked shrimp to the skillet with the vegetables. 2. Add the soy sauce, fish sauce, if using, and honey. 3. Squeeze half a lime over the shrimp and vegetable mixture. 4. Cook for another 2 minutes, stirring to combine all the flavors. Step 5, assemble the bowls. 1. To assemble the bowls, divide the cooked rice evenly among serving bowls. 2. Top each bowl with a generous portion of the shrimp and vegetable mixture. 3. Garnish with chopped fresh cilantro and an extra squeeze of lime if desired. And there you have it. Delicious homemade shrimp and pineapple rice bowls that are perfect for a summer meal. This dish is bursting with tropical flavors and is super easy to make. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. It's great for a quick lunch or dinner and is sure to impress your family and friends. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit the subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video. We post new recipes and cooking tips regularly, and we'd love to have you as part of our community. Let us know in the comments below how your shrimp and pineapple rice bowls turned out and any variations you might have tried. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!